Despite the immense value we provide, some investors still focus on how we make money.
Show me the money!
Before we dive in on how to make money 2024, let's understand what money truly is. Money is merely a symbol of exchange for the value you bring to the table, whether it's a product, service, or even an emotion. The concept of money is meant to simplify the way we interact and trade with each other. The focus should never solely be on how much money you make, but rather on the value you provide to others. Investors who understand this key principle are the ones you should be working with. They ask how much value you offer and how many people or businesses need that value. Monetization might not be immediately clear, but if your offering is genuinely valuable, you and your investors will discover numerous ways to exchange it for money. Let's take an example from the famous YouTube channel HugoDecrypte. HugoDecrypte, with over 2 million subscribers, stands out because of Hugo's ability to demystify complex topics, making them relatable and easy to understand. Now consider our startup Brokers. Our mission is to blend credible news with humor and satire, engaging young users while promoting active participation. In conclusion, Making Money 2024 revolves around understanding the fundamental nature of money itself. It's a symbol of the value you provide to others. Focus on creating value, solving problems, and enriching people's lives. Seek investors that appreciate your mission and vision, rather than just your potential revenue streams. Remember, when you genuinely contribute to the world and touch lives, the money will naturally follow. Stay persistent, believe in your vision, and trust that your hard work will pay off. Now go out there and make a difference.